Hey guys, today we'll try to understand an important function that you need to use practically in all your codes if you're using dictionary is set default method. Now this is used to retrieve the value of a specified key in the dictionary. As we have used in, we can also use this to search for a value of a specified key in the dictionary. Now if this key does not exist in the dictionary, then a key is added using this method with a specified default value. The default value of the key is none. Yeah. So let me first put down the syntax so that we can quickly jump onto an example by which you will understand what I mean to say by using default values. Yeah. Usually the syntax is the dictionary that you want to use, and then you use the set default method. What you need to do is the mandatory parameter is the key value. So you need to specify the key and a default value which will be retrieved if the key is not available. So that could be none. Yeah. So the key is something which you want to search in the dictionary, and default is the value to be returned in case the key is not found. Yeah. So this is the thing that you need to remember. So let's understand a quick example on what happens. Yeah. So if the key passed as an argument exists in the dictionary, then the if key is available, then it will provide the corresponding value for that key. Being value. So suppose I have the dictionary, my earlier example, as we saw, we want to retrieve value using the default method. So I'm storing the value in a variable. So my dictionary dot set default. I'm searching for the key that is B. Yeah. And also what I'll do right now, since B is available, I'll not put the default value that because since that is optional. Let's see what it retrieves as a value. You can see it retrieves the corresponding value. Yeah. Now, suppose I try to retrieve, if I try to pass a key as an argument which does not exist within the dictionary. So it will give me the value as none. Yeah. So suppose I have this dictionary. Let's stick to the same example. Now I'm searching for D, which is not available in the above dictionary. So let's see what is the value. By default, it gives none. So here it is. So even if I do not specify none over here, it will still give me the value as none because this particular key is not available in the dictionary. Yeah. Either you do it this way or you specify none as the value. So I specify none. Yeah. So it gives me none. Or I can provide a value. Yeah, I can say 4 as the value for D. So let's see if it gives me 4. Yes. So I'm specifying a default value for this particular key if it is not available within the original dictionary. Yeah. Now, suppose if the key passed as an argument is not found in the dictionary, but the value is specified as an argument. Now, then the particular value is shown from this particular dictionary. We can also use nested set default. Yeah. So how to use it using nested set default. Hope I'm making sense over here. Is if a particular key is present, then it will show you the key. If it is not present, it will show you none, even though you have not specified the default value. If you specified as none, it will show you none. But if you specify anything else apart from none, it will take it as a default value and show you that particular value. Same way, you can use nested set default as well. So if I have this dictionary, let me explain you the code first. So I have this dictionary 1, 2, 3, which has a key A, B, C. Yeah. And I am setting a default for D, which is an empty set. Again, I am doing a nested set default by adding a dot set default to the existing dictionary because this is a dictionary by way. Yeah, sorry, not the set, it is a dictionary. And I'm specifying as E. So let's see what is the value that we get. You can see it is none. Yeah, because there is nothing. The value is nothing. So if I say E, comma 5, let's see what it gives as a value. So it is giving me 5 because I have this D which has the default dictionary as E, which is comma 5. So it is giving me the nested value which is available. Hope I am able to make some sense of this particular method and hope you are able to understand how you can use a set default method for dictionary within your code. Hope you like this video. Do like, share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any inputs or if you want to share your views, which will help my viewers to learn something new or increase their knowledge. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Hope to see you in my next videos with the next method. Thank you so much.